How to create a survey on Instagram story. Open the Instagram app and swipe to create a new story. You can take a photo or choose one from your camera roll. Once you have your image or video ready, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. In the sticker menu, look for the poll option. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar to find it. Tap on it and you will see a field where you can enter a question. Type in your question, then add response options. You can customize them however you like. Once you're finished, tap Done at the top right. You can move and resize the poll on your story by dragging it around. You can also add more edits such as text, stickers, or drawings. When you're happy with the story, tap Your Story at the bottom left to post it. Now, your followers will be able to vote on your poll, and you can check the results in your story insights. That's how to create a survey on Instagram Story.